this your video.
Good evening, guys. Hi, guys. Hello, guys. Good evening. How we all doing? Hope we did okay. Yes, so let's just a little bit. Just a short one. Yes, so my people, let's talk about, I really want to be talking more about relationship, you know. Everybody get the way that they analyze their own relationship or whatever, but you too go still get your own impact about it. I mean, the way you sit and analyze and you understand. So, a relationship, for example, to be in a relationship. Sorry, guys, maybe you'll be hearing some little noise of my kids. They are playing in the sitting room while I'm in the room. I just want to quickly make this before I do other things, okay? So I had a talk with a friend. That is why I really want to talk about this particular topic or issue, you understand? I had a talk with a friend. We just talk and talk. And I pick a lot of points in what she was saying. She also picked a lot of points of what I was talking about. So let's really break it down, So as we did gist now, I can't say, what did they talk get points? Where would they talk? She can't say, sister, what do you see they talk? See, you still get point for them. So what am I trying to say is this. Relationship, like for example, woman, they into relationship with man, or man, they into relationship with woman. Yes, some people go say, good, make this one, me, Mrs. A, go carry Mr. B, we be saying, get level, not get anything. You not even get work, you not get woe, you not get paper self, you not get this one, you not good. So I'm saying, not me, where you for find your love is okay, everywhere good. Yes, that is true. Where you for find your soulmate is okay. But if you really look away, especially here in diaspora, maybe Nigeria, and I say they okay small. I don't know. Because I know they stay there. But Europe here, like I even say before in my video before, like 2 days ago, I make a video. I say a lot of people, they'll go into a relationship because of, their greedy interest. I mean, because they want something. They're not thought say this one too fine. They're not the two decent fine. But because of what the woman gets or what the woman go feel give her. That's what women still be. They're not thought say this man too cute. Most of them, they not they go into say, oh, I want to marry this man, one day into relationship, strong relationship with this person, because this guy too cute. Then on the daughter, you say, oh, for help. But they won't go there because of say one or two things. They see one thing or the other that will benefit them in future. Where go come benefit them when they go achieve at last. You understand? So I was talking about it, not be saying a bad thing, because say a lot of our African people, now that one will come, they go into that. But in the other way around, more will not see they do such thing again, because at the end, the relationship not go last, especially if you don't bump put. Imagine yourself, you don't bump for relationship like that, you don't get what you they find. Like, for example, you will be woman, they find paper for the man, and you don't go bump put. At the end of the day, they say not go work again because you're tired for the relationship. You say, now because of say, I want just get the paper and I make a your born one or two. I don't get enough, but you can't end up at the end being a single mother. Only you want to take off the beginning. The father out there somewhere else. The beginning was that not be real love, not just because of say one selfish interest or the other. Yes, like I go repeat again, a lot of us, a lot of people that they do it because say, this is the only way I fit to get people, this is the only way I fit to get house still, this is the only way I fit to get more money gathered from this man. Me, I to start my own business. So you understand, a lot of people are doing it like that. But to me, I would just advise after my experience, don't do that. Don't go because of say, and so you want to do it. Just true look for or wait. Or they careful, look for who go really love you till the end, till infinity, forever, till death. That is the best thing, and that is the best relationship. Thank you. Thank you. You understand? That is the best relationship. That is the best thing that will make you people stay forever. You know, too much of single mother here and there is not nice any longer. It's not nice. So the best thing, just wait for your soulmates when out there together forever. It's the best, you know. So that one can be that one. So my main point or my main message is this. Some people will tell you, no, not carry this man, or not carry this woman. Oh. If you carry this man and liability na igbese, oh. Or if you carry this woman and liability na igbese, oh. As in, you they take off, huh? Now you go clean her up. Now you go do this one. Now you go do that one. At the end of the day, if you don't do all these things finish, the woman can't get it they do, or the man can't get it day. You know, all those kind of things. The woman get it day, or the woman the man can't get it day. You can't misbehave. You know, especially let me say for example, I don't know if they happen to woman, it happen to man too. But let me start using the word like this. Say, okay, woman can't day. You see, man will be saying, not just get level like that. If they manage or new con Europe, all those who marry, you understand, newcomers. You can't really carry and based on say, okay, he like him or they love each other. Can't they try to clean her up? Take care of the man, brush the man to his or her taste. After she don't brush the man to her taste, you know, the man don't do okay, don't brush her. He don't do okay, don't they work, he don't even get paper, everything, don't do okay. You not be that again, you not be beginner again with your new entire Europe JJC again. Don't they okay? And at time the man can't realize, say, I beg this woman, you too the knack safe. This woman, you not even confine gay. This woman, you don't come fat too much. Or this woman, no. Say how you can't slim like winch. Or this woman, this, that. You know, at the beginning, they will not see all these things. They saw it too, but they won't talk. They just want to really, you know, like wait and achieve what they want. After I don't see what they want, now they will come on. Most of them go wrong. So because of that one today, now a lot of single mothers, a lot of women, even the one that are not even single, so never even born, say they fear. Because say, I beg. Just man, you go meeting. I beg, go. Now we get not a day. I know what problem. Now get not a day, I don't need problem. You say no, I not be person we go make problem. You know those kinds. You say no, I understand, but I beg go. I can't clean you finish, take off you finish at the end of the day. Hey, I pray things go come get a be. Now me come the suffer all those kind of things. I beg I don't just want more no kukuma just go deep because at the end of the day, now me suffer and me I don't need that kind of stress. I don't need that kind of problem. You know, the bad one not gonna let us know the good one, which is very, very bad, 100% so bad. You understand? The bad one not gonna let us know the good ones. So that is why most people they fear, they think, they say no, they don't want to enter, they don't want to jump into it like that. Not be their fault, not because of say hate. Say they hate the man or they want to suffer the men. Say, I beg you, I know will give you paper. Sorry guys, I know I'll give you this one. If I give you finish, you run come out. Don't be say because they want to suffer the man. But because of fear. No woman imagine and no woman wants to stay. Good day, they take off children alone, or good day, me and this person don't marry. They'll come separate you, can't day like that, divorce or separated. No woman like him, but because of life, circumstances, things where they happen, you'll say, I beg for me to buy inside this relationship, more your kukuma separate, you haven't done too much, I don't feel continue again. You understand? So because of that first mistake or second mistake, most people can't get sense. They'll say, I beg go. Most women, especially nowadays, most of them don't get sense. They'll say, I beg go, God forbid bad thing. Hey, I don't want, I need a man to marry, more marry, more born. But the one I think they do, me, I not fit, I they fear, I don't want because single mother, they take care of picking alone. Picking way man and woman, they take care of, it's not easy. Talk or say the one way only woman, they chest. You know, that is just the truth. It's not easy. Now, God is strengthening everybody. God is strengthening us. You understand? But it's not nice way after you really pick a man from nowhere, from a gutter, you don't brush down to your taste, they don't do okay. You can't dump you. Another time you go remember say you too slim, you too fat, or you not fine, or you not tourish, or you not get character, or now so you dey nag, or now so you not good, or you get IT day, or you too they talk, to they do this one. It that way they inside the relationship, one and you know all those things. You know, 6 months, even 3 months is enough for you to know a woman or a man and they stay together. Except say for me, if I want to know you 3 months, I don't really know you, I don't know your character. Except say maybe some kind of character, if they in that man, evil one for that matter, if they don't have the hide, I know. Maybe on very good, they are constantly know. You understand? But normally, normal character that every man will display or every woman will display. If I stay with person, and it's true, anybody that except when they live together, once you live together with a person, a man or a woman, in 3 months you're supposed to know how she be, how he be. Say, oh, this person is a stubborn woman, or this person not the talk, very quiet human being, or this person go fit keep fly, not fit hunt fly, or this person you go fit thief with the thief they go, not fit, or this person they flex they go. No, you must not know the person 80% of that person. That is just the truth. You understand, my people? So I just want to see, like, encourage and advise us. I mean, the one that it will interest, not everybody. That, yes, I know, say, picking up a man or a woman from nowhere, from a gutter, is risky, because some, when they will open their eye, when they don't do okay, they don't flex, they don't find, they don't do okay, they go wrong. But some will not do like that. Some will stay and say, no, now this man help me, now this woman help me. I pray make her don't leave her, God forbid. And not don't leave her, go deal with her forever. All those kind of things. Most people will stay because they don't want to, most of them don't want to just do that thing where be say at the end of the day, people will call and say, this man a wicked man, this woman a wicked woman. They'll call it late causes. Bini say unakagboma. Some people they don't want me that they narrate they don't like her. They prefer that they manage relationship like that. They pray and they hope on God say things go change. So I just pray for all of us. May God be with each and every one of us. And may God give us the best in life. May God give us our soulmate, especially our life partner, our friend, as a husband, as a wife. Not be saying because I say it too fine, love her, it too they cook, it too they dance, it too they do this one, it too get good character. No. I first it talker. Like they always say, marry your best friend as a husband, marry your best friend as a wife. Don't go marry first way be say, yes, I all love her naturally. At the end of the day, a character, you don't come like her. Let her be your best friend. When I know each other well before I get into marriage. Marriage not be just ori of it. Now just gently, with brain. Try to calm down, know yourself, watch out. A lot of us have made the mistake. So you jump into marriage, but at the end of the day, you will jump out. But if you look and where I know say sometimes so, especially men, they're not gonna let you just try to know them. As if they don't go they don't want to make you just calm down, they know them. They go they hurry you. Especially men, most men. Some women say they do like that, so they go they hurry. Quick, now more go marry, now more day, now all those kinds of things. No, my people. Especially who don't make mistake before. Like we that have made the first mistake. The second one, we don't want to make second mistake again. Try to know the man, try to know the woman. Calm down to know her. Let her even chat, muna quarrel, muna see separate. If now your own go see come back and see pet you, go now see day again. Now so we be. If not still be your own, okay, let it go. Life goes on. You'll see meet on that. If one way close, another one go see open. That's how we reach. For me, that is my belief. I don't know for other people believe. You understand? So I need to do something now because of my kids in the city room. And I just want to quickly drop this. Maybe I'll be back again later or tomorrow. So I guess we all will see, catch a point here. Because in every nonsense, there's always a sense in it. But my main point or my main message is to just encourage with that say, hey, I want to take this man, I love him, JJC. Or this woman, I love her, JJC. Because of that, if I carry him, it will come change later. I dey fear. So I want to just try to advise or encourage us. Don't really put that fear first. Try to know that person very well, even if not JJC. No, I'm not fast on the bone. Not fast. Go they do marriage. No, that two thing. Remove her. Now they start the relationship. Not just carry the marry. Say come marry me, or the guy will rush you say you want to marry you. No. Look out. Understand the person well. When I know each other well before you jump inside. Then secondly, not just carry the bond. They say, hey, my mates don't born finish. Oh, hey, I beg, I want born. Oh, I want born my children. Oh, may you rush into it. No. Don't be in rush in haste to born for man. Don't be in rush in haste to go the marry, do marriage. Don't do it because doing it at the end, you cannot respect. If you know the man, you understand the man, or you know the woman, you understand the woman. yes, you guys are good to go. Good to go. But if you never see understand each other based on say out of a love at first sight, now your day this month, next month or next 2 months, you don't get belle, don't dey born for her. Or after 3 months or 6 months, you don't get belle, dey born for her. No, 6 months is not enough to really know person. You understand? Like I said, yes, you can know the person, the character, if they stay with you. But it's not enough if you want to marry her, say me you don't know her under 6 months. No. At least go know the person 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. In most cases, 3 years. Even if they say, how many years I want to friend you now? It's how much they friend you, so will they waste time? Let her waste sister, let her waste brother. Nothing can. I know say yes, some of our women will say woman are flower. Very soon, woman will come reach a point where be not feel born again. All those kind of things, you come they see under menopause. So make we rush born. Now so we take rush born, so we come turn to single mother. Now so we take rush born, turn to single mother. It's just an advice that a lot of people will not take, but it's just the truth. As for me, I wish me see who advise me like this, me for not even rush into marriage. For my own case, not be me rush into marriage, now the man rush me. You understand? But it don't pass, you understand? So I pray for God, God to help us and then let us know anything, everything we want to do at the right point. So thank you guys. I have to go now because I have to do something with my kids right now. Bye guys, and God bless you all. Bye. Thank you, and help me to like and share this video. God bless you, and thank you for following me this page. Please guys, we all are learning. You can still advise me or encourage me. Also can still drop your comment. Also I will see, I will see pick a point in it, but don't let it be insultive one, you understand? Because no idea being everybody say they go gaga. Understand? So love you guys. Thanks for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed, my YouTube channel is Lady B, who is perfect. Try to subscribe, and God bless you. Bye.